I often get asked by clients, how can I pass on a legacy? How can I pass on other things to my children and my grandchildren or my beneficiaries? Charitable giving is a great way to accomplish that. I often have clients that create future giving opportunities with the charity. Make-A-Wish, for example. Every year they will identify which wishes of children they want to sponsor. It's an amazing gift, an amazing opportunity to have your family come together and to see and experience this wish with these beautiful, wonderful children. Charitable giving is another great way to try and minimize or mitigate the amount of your estate that could be potentially exposed to estate taxes at your death. There are several different types of charitable tools, such as charitable remainder trusts, charitable lead trusts, and others that can help you and your family leave a legacy to a charity that has been important to you, impactful to you or your community, and at the same time, mitigate and lessen the amount that would go to Uncle Sam. If you have questions about how to incorporate charitable giving into your estate plan, please visit us at morristrust.com for a complimentary consultation.